welcome to Rozey K9 Farm. This is a litter of black standard poodle puppies. They're 11 weeks old here, ready to go anytime. I have 2 girls and 1 boy still available. So that one is orange colored girl. And then I have yellow colored girl and yellow colored boy. Let me see if I can. So the one with the toy right now is boy. And then that one is yellow color with the ball is a girl. So you can give us a call at 616-892-1993. We'd love to give you some more information on our gorgeous standard poodle puppies that we have. I also do have 2 brown or cafe boys in another litter that you can check out on our website. That's rozeyk9farm.com. It's spelled R-O-Z-E-Y-K, the number 9 farm.com. Like I said, these are the standard size poodles, 11 weeks old here, ready to go anytime. So there's orange color girl and yellow color. This one is yellow color boy. Huh, buddy? And then that one is yellow color girl. So you can see they're active, playful pups, love attention and hanging out with you. Huh, guys? You got a toy over there? Good job. All right. Yep. There's your orange girl. This one is yellow girl right here. And the one laying down there is yellow boy. All right, guys. Well, we'll say thanks for visiting. Give us a call, 616-892-1993. We'd love to give you some more information and tell you how to bring one of these wonderful pups home with you. We'll say bye for now. Oh my goodness. Did that toy get you? Say bye-bye.